Hi, this is Anthony. We're doing Tech Tuesday today. This is going to be your BMW Minute. I'm going to show you how to pair your phone with Bluetooth and how to use the Apple CarPlay. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go to Communications. You're going to manage your mobile device. They are touch screens, so you can hit that. You're going to connect a device. And then you have to go, if it's an iPhone, you're going to go into your settings. You're going to go into your Bluetooth. Then we're going to hit the Apple CarPlay. We're going to connect Apple CarPlay and confirm. And then we're just going to wait till we see the match. And there we have the match, the BMW 78064. We're going to click it on our phone. We're going to pair. We're going to say OK. We're going to allow so we can sync all of our contacts. And now we're just waiting for the car to catch up. It's showing already connected on our phone, and it does take a minute sometimes for the CarPlay to connect. We're going to hit Use CarPlay. And now we're connected. So now you'll see you have all your tiles up on the screen. You just use it just like your regular iDrive. Any tiles that you have up there, if you do have Waze, Sirius, Spotify, iHeartRadio, Pandora, whatever tiles you have that work with the CarPlay will show up on there, and it'll show you multiple screens if you have it that way. And to get back and forth, you would just either hit the BMW, and then you hit the main menu, you're back there. CarPlay typically is in the lower left-hand corner. You could either tap on it, or again, you could use the iDrive, scroll over, highlights it, Apple CarPlay, push down on the iDrive, and then it brings you back. And that's your BMW Minute.